Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Rajkumar's Learning App. In this session that we are going to discuss about the Islam invasion and the Rajput states. If you see the Islam invasion which happened in the two types, that is Arab invasion and Turkish invasion. Okay, Arab invasion made by Muhammad bin Qasim. He is the first Muslim who came to India to the Sindh region. And the next two invasion happened by the Turkish, respectively Muhammad of Ghazni and Muhammad of Ghori. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the Ghaznivis. Okay, so he ascended the throne of Ghazni in the year of 1998 to 1030. Okay, and a popular personality name called Firdausi. He was a court poet of Ghazni. So he come up with a famous work popularly known as Shahnama. Okay, then Muhammad was a plunderer. Okay, he always invade India and destroy the temple. So plunderer and destroyer. So how many times? Around 17 raids he made against India. He constantly fought against the Hindu Sahi rulers here in India. Okay, in 1025 he raided and plundered the Somnath temple in Gujarat. Apart from that, around 17 raids he made against the Indian subcontinent. Okay, so Seljuk Empire was established with the death of Muhammad. That is, during this time period only we got Rajput states. So we have three popular Rajputanas during that time period: Gandhavalas of Kannauj, Paramaras of Malwa, and Chauhans of Ajmer. The three popular Rajput states during the time period of Islam invasion to India. So the significant states like Kalachuris near Jabalpur, Chandelas in Bundelkhand, Chalukyas of Gujarat, Tomars of Delhi. Okay, these are all the significant states during the same time period when the Rajput state existed. Rajput patronized two religions, that is Hinduism as well as Jainism. They also upheld the Varna system and the privileges of Brahmanas, themselves considered them as the Kshatriyas. Okay, warrior community. Right. So next, Muizzuddin Muhammad ascended the throne at Ghazni and Chauhan powers are constantly rising. So with the capture of Delhi, and Chauhanas and Gurids were in the direct contest. That is, Muhammad of Ghori wanted to conquest India. During that time period, he got a clash with Prithviraj Chauhana, as Chauhanas of the Rajput state. So two battles which fought between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad of Ghori. First battle of Tarain in the year of 1191. There Muhammad Ghori versus Prithviraj Chauhan. Here Muhammad Ghori, Muhammad Ghori got victory. And second battle of Tarain in the year of 1192, Muhammad Ghori versus Prithviraj Chauhan. Here Prithviraj Chauhan lost the battle. Okay, this led him to Delhi and Rajasthan passing under the Turkish rule. Now, who took control over Delhi and Rajasthan region, which is Muhammad of Ghori. Okay, so Muhammad of Ghori entrusted the position of Qutbuddin Aibak under the Qutbuddin Aibak. See, he appointed three governors to the Indian subcontinent for the northwest, for the north, for the northeast. Northeast, Ikhtiaruddin Bakhtiar Khilji. Remember this name. He is the responsible personality to destroy the Nalanda University. And Nasruddin Kabacha was appointed as the governor to the northwest provision, and for the north, that is Delhi, under the control of Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay, so the Chauhanas of Ajmer. Okay, these Chauhanas were feudatory chiefs, that is landlords of the Gujaras, that is Pratiharas. A tripartite struggle we discussed in the last chapter. Next, the king of Shakhambari, name called Ajiraj Chauhan. He is the one who established a new city name called Ajmeru, which was laterly known as Ajmer. So remember the name and the city founded by him. His successor Vigraj captured Dillika from Tomar kings. After the defeat of Prithviraj Chauhan, the dynasty was weakened. So Qutbuddin Aibak dealt the final blow by defeating the dynasty in the year of 1197. Here you need to understand the two concepts. One is the founder of the city name called Ajmer, and also when the Qutbuddin Aibak took control over Delhi. The Tomars of Delhi. The Tomars also a feudatory chiefs under the Pratiharas again. Okay, they were the one who is responsible for founding the city Delhi in the year of 736 AD. From 9th to 12th century, the Tomars of Delhi ruled part and the present day of Delhi and Haryana. Okay, so the Delhi city was formerly founded by the Tomars. They are the feudatory chiefs under the Pratiharas. Okay, Mahipala Tomar captured Taneshwar, that is Taneshwar in the Haryana, as well as Hansi and Nagarkot in the year of 1043. Okay, so the Chauhanas captured Delhi in middle of 12th century and Tomars become their feudatories. So in this slide, you need to understand about the foundation of Delhi city by Tomars. They are the feudatory chiefs of Pratiharas, and Delhi city was founded in the year of 736 AD. Okay, Mewar is a region of south central Rajasthan in the western India. It included present day of all these places. The region was part of Rajput ruled Mewar kingdom or the Udaipur kingdom. Okay, in the year of 1568, Akbar from Mughal Empire captured the Chittagong and the capital of Mewar. Till that it was under the control of the Rajputs. Maharana Sangha. Okay, Maharana Sangha belonged to the Sisodias. Sisodia is one of the type of clan under the Marathas who was a contemporary to the Ibrahim Lodi and Babur. Okay, the Battle of Kanwa, which fought in the year of 1527, took place between Babur and Rana Sangha. When Babur came to India, he fought one popular battle which is known as Battle of Panipat against Ibrahim Lodi, and another popular battle which is known as Battle of Kanwa. He fought against Maharana Sangha, in which Babur emerged with a victory, and he is the one who established the firm hand of Mughal Empire in northern region. Maharana Pratap also belonged to the Sisodia Rajputs and was a Rana Sangha. He was a contemporary of Akbar. Okay, when Akbar sent a number of envoys making Rana Pratap as a vassal chief, submitting to Akbar, but Rana Sangha refused that submission, and the battle of Haldigatti, which was fought between Maharana Pratap versus Raja Man Singh. Okay, but Raja Man Singh was the military head under the Akbar. So he sent Rajput, and Rajput fought against the Rajput in the battle of Haldigatti. Okay. Next, Marwar. Muhammad of Gori defeated Jaichand of Kannauj, is a Marwar ruler, and the descendant of Shioji established themselves in the region of Mandor city. Okay. See, the Rathore rulers, Indian princely state of Jodhpur, were one of the ancient dynasty established in the 8th century. Okay. However, the dynasties were made Rao Jodha, first of the rulers Rathore dynasty in the Jodhpur of 1459. Here, there is no much important point for you, just to know who's the Marwar community in India. Next, Chandelas of Bundelkhand. Okay, remember the founder of this Chandela of Bundelkhand, Arsha Deva. He was the founder of this dynasty, and Bundelkhand was also known as Jagha Bukti. Okay, Mahabo was the capital of Chandela during the period of Yosavarman. Okay, Kalinjar was their important fort, and Kandaria Mahadeva temple in the year of 1050 was built by the Chandelas, and a number of beautiful temples at Gajrahu. Okay, Vidyadhara is noted having commissioned the Kandaria Mahadeva temple. So here what you need to understand is simple. Gajrahu temple was built by Chandelas of Bundelkhand. Okay, this information you need to focus here. Parmar, the last Chandela ruler, defeated by Kutubuddin Aibak in the year of 1203 AD. Okay, next one is Parmaras of Malwa. Okay, Agnivanshi Rajput dynasty. Okay, and they made Dhar as their capital. Bhoja was an important ruler in their period. Okay, here we don't have much information, but since you need to know about who are all the Parmaras. Okay, next one is the Chalukyas of Gujarat. Okay, Rajasthan, northwest region, and Gujarat during 1940 to 1244, their capital was located at Anahlivada, that is modern Patan. Okay, Mulla Raja was the founder of this dynasty. You need to know the Chalukya founder is Mulla Raja. Okay, then other than that, Dilwara temple and Moden Sun temple as constructed during the time period of Chalukyas only under the king name called Bhima I. So Dilwara temple under the construction under the Bhima I, and Ranika Wow was commissioned by Queen Udayamati, belonged to Chalukyas. Why this Ranika Wow is very important for you? Because recently it was added under the UNESCO World Heritage Site. So Ranika Wow was commissioned by Queen Udayamati and belonged to which dynasty? Chalukyas of Gujarat. Next, Kalachuris of Tripuri. Kalachuris of Cheddi ruled part of central India between 7th to 13th century. Okay, so the kingdom reached its zenith, the reign of Lakshmi Karna, who assumed the Chakravartin. Chakravartin after the military campaign. Chakravartin is the title adopted by the king when they used to conquest more amount of land. The current temple at Amarkantak was built by Lakshmi Karna. So here you just know the information about Kalachuris. Okay, so the first battle of Tarain was fought in the year of 1191. First battle of Tarain is in the year of 1191. And who was the founder of Chandelas of Bundelkhand? Okay, that is Harsha Deva. He is the founder. Which of the following places on India first came under the earliest attack by the Arabs on India? Okay, Sindh region. Sindh region is the earliest place. In this chapter, you need to know about the dynasties and which region they belong to and what exact event happened and the battles fought on which year. That is fair enough information about this chapter. Okay, so practice more number of questions on the same chapter. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you.